What is up guys, I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach, and today I'm teaching you how to remove the TikTok watermarks so you can reuse this content on other platforms like Instagram Reels, for example. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. Today I'm teaching you two different ways to download your TikTok videos without watermark. And the best part, this is the best method to use if you want to reuse your videos on other social media platforms like Instagram Reels. The first method, which is the most common one, is go to your video that you want to download, then press the three dots. Then instead of clicking Save Video, you're going to press Live Photo. Then we wait for it to download. After downloading the video as a live photo, we press the settings and then go down until we see Save as Video. We wait for it to convert and then we see our live photo turn into a video. The only thing left to do is to click Edit and then Crop to get rid of the watermark that's in the bottom right corner. This option works really well if you have an iPhone, but if you're an Android user, I have another method for you. Just a quick break here to let you know that I'm posting every single day videos just like this one over my Instagram account. So make sure to give me a follow at @HeyMeneses. And if you have any question, feel free to send me a DM because I'm always answering over there. So let's continue with the video. So for this one, we're going to go to this website, snaptik.app. So after we get into this website, we're going to go to our TikTok and press the three dots and click Copy Link. After copying the link, we're going to paste it right here. We click Paste and then click the green button. Then we wait and then it's time to download our video. After it converts our video, we press the first option, Download Server 01, press Download, and then we press the blue option next to the search bar. Then we click the video and click Settings, and then we save the video. Now as you can see, we have the video without any watermarks. If you're watching this video and the website snaptik.app is not working, just let me know down in the comments so I can send you an alternative. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if it helped you and also subscribe if you want more tips just like this one. So I will see you in the next video.